Hello everyone, I'm very excited to share with you this new app which is called as LlamaCoder that enables you to create small apps just with a text prompt. It is an open source Claude Artifact example that generates small applications with only one text prompt. It is powered by Llama 3.1 405 billion parameter model and with Together.ai. It is not entirely local because the software, the Llama coder, gets installed locally, but still you would have to use it through Llama 405 billion parameter, which is hosted on Together.ai. And from there, you would need to sign up with your email address, and then you can grab the API key by just simply going to your profile on the top right and then settings. I already have my key and you would get some free credit. So I'm also using that free credit, which is great. But of course, if you are using it in production or for extensive use, you would need to pay them and buy any of the plan from their website, which you can check out at together.xyz. And I will drop the link to it in video's description. Coming back to this Llama Coder seems quite interesting as it is using one of the most performant models out there. Llama 3.1 405 billion was the first open source model capable of performing well in the specific coding use case. Also, this model has really pushed the boundaries of open source LLMs when it comes to coding, and it has really rivaled with the best closed source models from Anthropic and OpenAI. So to inspire the developers, this tool has been created, which is called as LlamaCoder app, which is an open source web app. Also, it has become quite popular over the course of last few weeks. So let's try to get this installed on our local system, and then we will see how it works. And as I mentioned, if you're following along, you would need to grab your API key from together.xyz. Before I move forward, let me also give a huge shout out to our very good friends at Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. You won't really need a GPU for this video because we are using an API based model, but still if you're looking to rent a GPU on good prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. This is my Ubuntu 22.04 and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy Massed Compute. And by the way, you can simply use the same code and application on Windows or Mac. Okay, so first up, let me clear the screen and let me create a Conda environment. So instead of going with Python 3.10, maybe I'll go with Python 3.11. Let me create it, shouldn't take too long. It is just a virtual environment. If you don't know how to use Conda, please search the channel. I have already done heaps of videos and you can see that my Conda environment is created. Let's install some of the prerequisites, which include the usual suspects like torch and transformers. Let's wait for them to get created. It is going to take a couple of minutes. All the prerequisites are done. Now let's clear the screen and let's git clone the repo of LlamaCoder and cd into it. That is done. Next up, there will be an example environment file. We simply need to rename it. That is done. Let me open it to show you what it looks like. There you go. So you just need to put in your together.api key. So let me save my key here and then I'll save and exit. If you want some sort of observability, you can go with this Helicon. It's another hosted service, but I'm not going to use it. So let me put my key here and then save and clear the screen. So I have saved the key. This software, the Llama Coder, is based on Node.js. So you would need to have Node and NPM installed on your system. The easiest way to install both of these is through NVM, which is a sort of a package manager. So first I'm going to install that NVM on my local system. That is done. And then now it is asking me that I need to just run this so that it will be accessible from my profile in Linux. Okay, I just need to put E in front of it as usual. I keep missing the E's here. So I'm just going to go at front, enter here and clear my screen. If you do NVM version, Now you can see that I am on this latest NVM version. So in order to install the latest version of Node and NPM, all you need to do is to run this command nvm install dash dash lts, and that should give you the results here. Now npm dash dash version, it should show you the latest npm version, and similarly this is my recent Node version. So these are the prerequisites which have met now. That is cool. Now in order to install this software from the root of this repo of LlamaCoder, simply run npm install, and it is going to download and install a lot of packages. So let's wait for it. So it has installed it, and you can see that it has added around 532 packages. Let's clear the screen. Next up, in order to run this, simply run this npm run dev command. Let's wait for it to run. So you see that it is now running on our local host at port 3000. So let me open it in the browser. And there you go. You can see that now it is running on my local host at port 3000. And it has already selected this Llama 3.1405 billion. It is green. And if you click here, you can even go with the 70 billion or few other models, but I'm not going to go there. So in order to create an application, simply just write anything here, and it is going to build you a simple app. So I'm going to ask it here, build me a simple tic-tac-toe app, which is a simple game. Let's run it. And as soon as you press enter, you see that it has started building the game. It is building the app, as you can see on the right. There you go. And this is our tic-tac-toe app. How good is that? Within a jiffy, it was able to create it. And if you just look at the code looks really, really good. Okay, where is it? Okay, it's down. You can even publish the app locally, I guess, or you could just simply, change the code and then go from there. So if I click here and start playing, so it's a X1. I'll just say 0. I'm a single player, so I can do whatever I want, but let's try to play it properly. And maybe I'll just click here. There you go. So I win. And you can see that how easy it is to build an app with this one. Let's see, we can build something else. Build me an app which will give quotes from stoicism daily. There you go. So I'll let it run. There you go. So there are a few quotes, and then it is going to jumble it up. There you go. Message is read only. Something went wrong. I'm not sure what went wrong. How do we know? Did I breach my limits? Something like that, maybe. Anyway, so I'll just go back. Maybe I'll just say complete the app or try again. Something like it is doing something, but anyway. Messages. I think I have breached my limits here anyway. So yeah, that is a problem. So I would have to put in some credits here so that I don't meet the throttling limits. But anyway, so I will keep it transparent so you can see that yes, you can build the applications, maybe one, but if you are building more and more, you might have to buy the credits or maybe wait a bit and then try again so that you don't either get throttled or you don't meet those limits. But anyway, really good stuff. As you can see, just with a text prompt with Llama 3.1, which is an open source model, and Together AI, we have this open source tool which we can use to build simple apps. So I will drop the link to it in video description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.